apologies in advance for the wind. It's the first day that I got out of my work during the daylight, so I thought I would use the opportunity to show you exactly what happened and what the scratches are with the... Obviously I told guys to leave the marker on because I find it funny. I really like it like this. This is like, is this what fashion is about? Look at that. Nice. Alright, let's start from the front. So if we start from the front, you will notice first scratch just there. So that's the first scratch. So someone would think that they hit the car there and that the container or the bin or whatever it was, that they would stop there. But as you can see, kinda I have really no idea what happened here. So then we have that. Then we have there on the mirror. The mirror is quite scratched. And then if we move down the side, you will notice there is a small dent on the door there. There's this one, that, cool. Yeah, then we have an obvious scratch on the door handle. I mean, I really can't see what's wrong with this panel. I mean, this seems to be something going on there, but I just can't put my finger on it. I mean, this is silky smooth. Look at that. That's just, yeah. So let's move on. I really can't see anything. Look, I mean, whoa. All right, so let's move on. So yeah, there's a small dent there. Maybe you can see it, maybe not. And then they continued. Like, why would you stop there? Why would you stop there? You're obviously gonna continue. So we have some scratches there. Taillight, maybe even cracked. I don't know, but it's scratched, so that has to be replaced. And then we have the scratch on the bumper as well. So yeah, that's the update. That's the update. That's my beautiful BMW. Yeah.
Yeah, what I do is I'll pen it up as well. So I'll pen it all up and then
Yeah, alright. Yep.
This is first time ever on any of my cars that someone is
really
doing it with a marker.
You're not blaming me, are you? If you hadn't met me, it wouldn't have happened.
More dents, more scratch, a huge dent, yet another dent, scratch on the taillight, and scratch on the rear bumper.
And I'm just waiting to see if anyone's gonna show up with containers or cleaning anything. Yep. Nothing so far. Here we go for some time now. It's 7:20 now. Yep. Notice these guys cleaning the garbage, and as you can remember, my car was parked just there when it got scratched. But now, because my car is getting fixed, I have this now. Hopefully they're paying more attention now so they don't scratch any of these cars.
Hello, could I speak to someone from reception, please?
Are you speaking?
Sorry?
Speaking.
Can I come in? Oh yeah, thanks. If I can have the CCTV footage, because
That is the camera. My car was parked there. The bins are being taken out, but we can't see clearly my car.
I was so hoping that we're gonna get that footage, but we didn't because it's so dark and you can't see anything. At 8:45 you can see me coming into the car, and at that time is not this bright obviously, but a little bit brighter, and 20 minutes before that it's pitch dark and you can't see anything. I was so hoping that I'm gonna get that footage, but nope.
queste dollars si lasca. Dove è bravi,